Now this is the next question. You can see the question that is being pasted on the board. You can work the question out and zero in the correct choice. So when we come back, we will find out the right way to work it out. Okay, so I hope you all have got the correct choice. Let me start with this. Sin x as an expansion as x negative x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial, positive x to the power of 5 over 5 factorial, negative x to the power of 7 over 7 factorial, plus etc. Now we are asked to find the connectivity between the integral 0 to 1 x times sin x dx. Now what I wish to do is I would like to apply this operation integral 0 to 1 x with sin x dx onto the upper series expansion. If I were to do that, then this right hand side is going to be greater than equal to integral x times of the sin x expansion, which is x negative x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial plus etc. times the dx 0 to 1. As I mentioned to you, since we are dealing with infinite series, I can drop the terms and I can just zero it in as x times of x negative x to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial times the dx. Now this in turn is greater than equal to integral 0 to 1 x times of x negative x to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial is nothing but 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to be 6. So this is what we've got. Now this is greater than equal to integral 0 to 1 x into x is x squared, x into x to the power of 3 is x power 4 divided by 6 times dx. Now this is rewritten as, so let me use this space here, integral 0 to 1 x squared dx negative integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 4 over 6 times dx. This is greater than equal to, I integrate this, I get x to the power of 3 divided by 3, 0 to 1. I integrate this, I get x to the power of 5 divided by 5, there's a 6 there. So you have 30, 0 to 1. So this is greater than equal to, I substitute to the upper limit, I get 1 over 3. No need to substitute the lower limit. I substitute the upper limit, I get 1 over 30. So you can clearly see you have 0 there. So there's no point in placing this limit. So we got 1 over 3, negative 1 over 30. This is greater than equal to, the LCM between 3 and 30 is 30. 3 divides 30 10 times, so you have a 10 there. 30 divides 30 1 time, so you got a 1 there. This is greater than equal to 10 negative 1 is going to give me 9 over 30. Now 3 divides here, 3 times 3 divides here 10 times, so this is 3 over 10. So this means on the left hand side I got 0 to 1 x times sin x dx. So this is the relationship that connects the integral with limits 0 to 1 to a numeric quantity 3 over 10. So that is the final solution, and this is the choice that you need to tick.